Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will not say that this is my first attempt making this video because I tried twice before making an intro, and finally जब मेरे पास एक मस्त intro आया where it was undisturbed, I realized that my microphone thing still has a wire and nothing got recorded. So I'm in the middle of my thingy now. It is, what is the time? It is exactly 8:46 and I have to catch the 9:40 train जिसके लिए मुझे 9:25 निकलना पड़ेगा, so I don't have so much time to get ready. But I want to ask you, how are you all? It's been so long since I've made a vlog and today is the perfect day to make one. Two reasons. First, that I'm going to go to office today, so I will take you through my day, but also don't expect me to take you around inside my office or near my colleagues because I'm very shy. I'm a shy person in general, right? So I will try my best to exist over there, and yes, pretty much. And uske alawa kya tha, today it is currently 8:47 and it's a Friday, which is the day I usually don't go to office, and also the date, it's 4th of April. And why I remembered it? Because आज Sephora की sale शुरू है, तो this date was something I was looking forward to for a very long time. But yes, I am not only going to office, I'm also going to go to Sephora because I'm so excited to get my stuff. And कल रात को मैं पूरी रात जगी हुई थी because I was organizing my drawer, which I will show you in the progression of the video. And I feel that I can see my makeup clearly now. I have only 10 blushes and I'm on my way to buy my 11th one today because I don't have a powder blush. But yes, let's get ready. मेरे को बहुत late हो रहा है. But anyways, बाहर इतनी धूप है, and I told you that my mood is proportional to the धूप. And today there's so much धूप, I loved it. And I literally ran to my cupboard and picked out a dress that I'll wear. A dress, summer is here. But then I opened my weather app and it's 2 degrees outside. So I improvised with a, can't even lift my leg. I'm wearing stockings underneath. I will show you my whole look eventually, but right now we are running very late and we need to do makeup, we need to do skincare. I'm going to take a shower, everything is done, let's go. मैं obviously पूरा makeup tutorial नहीं दिखाने वाली because this is not a makeup tutorial, but I try to be very simple when I'm getting ready and going outside. Simple मतलब a very elaborate makeup routine, but it ends up looking very simple because मुझे इतना शोशाबाजी करना पसंद नहीं, but anyways. A little toner, then followed by 2-3 serums. Like I add vitamin C to my this thing. I use this by Domaco, and then uske upar I use this vitamin C serum. This is like subah ka routine. And then I add this Centella ka ampule, I think. Oh wow, इसकी packaging ही उड़ गई है. But yeah, ampule like is for pore minimizing, and then I will just put moisturizer, and then I put sunscreen, and then on top of that a lip balm. But pretty much that. Very very simple routine, but it's a staple. Like मेरे table पे सारे वही products पड़े हैं जो I actually use on a daily basis, and I'm trying to finish so that I can repurchase them. But yes, 2 layers of this hydration. I have a very dry skin, so I kind of need this like this elaborate routine ताकि मेरी skin ज़्यादा dry ना हो. मम्मी ऐसे बोलती है ना कि बातें कम करो, काम ज़्यादा करो. मुझे अभी वही करना पड़ेगा, बहुत लेट हो रहा है. मैंने आज मम्मा को बोला था मुझे जल्दी उठाने के लिए, and every single day she reads my message. Every single day she wakes me up somehow or the other. But today, for the first time when I told her to wake me up, today only she didn't wake me up. Like she didn't even read the message. I'm like, great. जब नींद खुली मेरी, I was like shit, because I was planning to take the 8:33 की train because I had a meeting, but that got cancelled, so I'm just gonna take my 9:33 train. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मुझे अपना लैपटॉप फिक्स करवाना था जो मेरा ऑफिस का इट्स वेरी वेरी स्लो. तो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, लाइक might as well get it fixed before I start my day because I don't want interruptions during the day. But ठीक है, it's a Friday, so I don't have a lot of meetings anyway. It's majorly like I have to go meet my team today, and yeah, maybe after the thing or after my office done, maybe I might grab dinner with my friend. She was like my office friend in India, so might as well do that. But yes, okay, anyways, fast मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ fast, but कुछ करने के हाथ भी नहीं चल रहे मेरे, हद हो गई. So moisturizer, I'm using Emollient. These days I use Emollient because I just got it from India. I don't use it every single day, to be very honest, because apparently it is a very good cream, but only when you feel like you have very dry skin and your skin barrier is sort of not good. So I use it like sometimes, like every 3, 4, 5 days. And uske alawa I use like many other moisturizers. I have like 3, 4 packed over here. At this point I feel कि मैं सिर्फ स्किन केयर करके निकलने वाली हूँ, टाइम ही नहीं है इतना. But I also got my nails done. Like not done क्या मतलब, मैंने press on nails लगाए हैं and weirdly they have been there for the past 6 days, which is not very usual for me in the press ons. Like मैंने इस बार follow करा था proper tutorial and they do work. Damn. And lastly, putting the sunscreen. Like मैं वैसे sunscreen रोज ही लगाती हूँ, जैसे घर पे भी होते हैं, so I do put sunscreen. But the only difference is I put SPF 30 because इतना घर के अंदर ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता है, because एक तो धूप है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, plus घर के अंदर तो I'm already protected. But I am a very regular user of sunscreen because I do get freckles. Like मुझे freckles हो जाते हैं उसके बिना and my skin is so dry. And yeah, I love sunscreen. It's the best thing ever. And I also recommend everybody to apply it, including the boys. Indigo oil thingy. और अब मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि अब मैं मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल भी दूँ, because again it will turn into a whole thing. So I'm just gonna do a little transition so that you will see me ready. And I'm ready. I changed my outfit. It wasn't looking good, and it is 9:30 and I'm very late. I don't think I'm going in the train now. I'll go with dad. So yes, let's go. बहुत गाली पड़ने वाली है. I will do my lip combo in the car. It's not even cold. Hi. आज पापा मुझे छोड़ेंगे. Yes, Papa, what are you doing? Hey.
Hi, कैसे हो?
Good. आज हम vlogging कर रहे हैं YouTube के लिए. आज आप मुझे कितने टाइम बाद छोड़ रहे हो?
After maybe 3 months.
More than that.
No, usually you go alone.
पापा, मुझे पता है ड्राइव करो, अपना कैमरा पकड़ोगे, मुझे लिप कॉम्बो करो. अरे मजाक. ये सच में स्टीयरिंग व्हील छोड़ के मेरा कैमरा पकड़ रहे. वो प्रायोरिटीज. मैं मुझे लिप कॉम्बो कर.
मुझे क्या पता, मुझे पता आप दे रहे हो मुझे.
दे सकती हूँ, अगर लिप कॉम्बो तो ज़्यादा जरूरी है. मैं वैसे गाड़ी क्यों नहीं दी मुझे आपने? मैं चला सकती थी गाड़ी आज.
मैं कहता ना जितनी देर में मैं आधे घंटे में पहुंच जाऊंगा, उतनी देर में तुम 2 घंटे में पहुंचोगी.
I just follow the traffic rules. That's it. Someone doesn't. That's not my fault. The fact मेरे को चलती गाड़ी में लिप कॉम्बो लगाना नहीं आता, that shows how much I follow the traffic rules and how focused I am on the road.
Yeah.
Using the Makeup Forever का lip pencil, this gives a contoured look. And for the lipstick thing, I'm gonna put this Lip Ivy. ये मैं दिखा नहीं सकती because वो बहुत ही लगेगा. मैं थोड़ी देर में दिखाती हूँ. So I am back and we are about to reach downtown. कितने देर में पहुँचेंगे? 15 मिनट में we'll reach downtown. I'll go to work. As I said, बहुत टाइम बाद जा रही हूँ. Like not बहुत टाइम बाद, but like a week later. So yes, मैं अभी one thing which is like random update. मेरे को अपने पॉकेट से भी $100 मिले. पापा मैं क्या करूँगी $100 का?
छुपा के रखोगी और दूसरे $100 की चिंता करोगी कहाँ पे.
So I am going to, और आज सेफोरा के सेल भी शुरू है. So पापा आपके पास है क्या $100? Do you want to sponsor my?
मेरा कार्ड ले.
Damn, पापा सीधा कार्ड ही दे रहे हैं. आपको पता है मेरे फोन में पापा कार्ड ऐसे रहता है हमेशा, but it's not there anymore. So I have to re-update it now. But anyways, मेरे को $100 मिला, that's one thing. And second thing, मैंने ना रेवा का फ़ोन लिया हुआ था when I went to India. तो मैंने ऐसे रेवा का फ़ोन ले लिया था thinking that I will like create content which I did a little but of course like utilize नहीं हुआ फ़ोन था because रेवा के पास 16 Pro अभी आया था. So that was मैंने इसलिए लिया था. So like उसको मिला ही था and then I was like उसने करा setup and then we exchanged it like exchanged for some time. तो मैं उसको फ़ोन आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम इंडिया ऑल्सो फॉर अ मंथ उसको दे ही नहीं रही थी. उसने आपको कुछ बोला क्या?
उसका तो वही घोंसला का कहता है ना, वो स्टोरी याद है कि प्लॉट पे कब्जा हो गया. तो मुझे लगता है फोन पे कब्जा हो गया था.
तो रेवा वाज लाइक एवरी टाइम शी केम तो सच में आइदर टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था और यू नो लाइक मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि माई फोन हैज ऑलमोस्ट 140-150 GB लाइक फुल. तो एंड आई हैव लाइक अ 250 GB का फोन 256. तो क्या था कि इतना टाइम लगता था टू ट्रांसफर. सो एवरी टाइम शी यूज्ड टू कम लाइक फॉर अ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम एंड हमेशा हमारे को एजेंडा होता था. तो मैं नहीं इसको बोलती कि ठीक है नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे. तो आफ्टर पॉइंट शी वाज लाइक गया मेरा फोन गया हाथ से गया एंड फाइनली आई हैड टू गिव इट बैक. एंड नाउ लाइक द थिंग इज दैट आफ्टर यूजिंग iPhone 16 Pro फॉर लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 2 months coming back to 13 feels like a headache because it's so slow. Like obviously 3 साल पुराना फोन तो स्लो होगा ही obviously, वो तो है ही. I got it in 22 in March only in fact. तो मेरा अभी इसका 3rd बर्थडे गया. 4th बर्थडे से पहले हमें अभी सितंबर आ रहा है ना तो 17 Pro खरीदूंगी मैं. अब बाकी एजेंडा तो यू नो. पापा विल पिक मी अप. कितने बजे पापा माउंट प्लेजेंट से?
मुझे क्या पता जितने बजे तुम हो.
आज फ्राइडे है तो आज कुछ ऐसे देखते हैं. आई डोंट नो.
फिर मैं कोई पिकअप नहीं, अपने आप आ गया.
अच्छा ठीक है फिर एक काम करती हूँ. आपको जहाँ पे भी जाना है मैं आपको वहाँ छोड़ देती हूँ. सो आई कैन पार्क माई कार यू नो लाइक इन द रेस्टोरेंट और नियर माई ऑफिस. देन यू कैन कम विद मी फॉर डिनर एंड देन वी कैन चिल. हाँ पापा जब शोर करते रहे मुझे पता है 3 बजे मम्मी को पिकअप करने भागेंगे. मुझे यार पापा इज सो पॉजेसिव. मुझे याद है अगर पापा ऐसे 1 बजे कुछ घर से निकले and then he comes to my room and I'm just like he's like मम्मा को पिकअप कर लेना and I'm like मेरी मीटिंग है. उन्हें लिटरली टीम्स खुलवा के चेक करा कि मीटिंग है कि नहीं थी उस टाइम पे बिकॉज वो कैंसिल हो गई थी. बट यस कोई नहीं. पूकी आप पूकी हो पता है आपको?
वो क्या होता है?
पूकी नहीं पता आपको क्या होता है? अरे सो पूकी इज बेसिकली समवन हु इज वेरी क्यूट वेरी क्या उसको बोलते हैं लाइक होता है ना कि लड़कियों के लिए वैसे क्यूट बेबीज. कोई नहीं चलो ओके सी यू नाउ. अब मैं सीधा आपको ऑफिस में घुसते हुए मिलूंगी. We are just in Tim Hortons right now. I'm just gonna grab my morning breakfast or coffee I would say and then we'll head to office. Can I have an iced latte please? Iced latte? Yeah. You have any flavor? You can do hazelnut but less sugar please. Hazelnut? Yeah, hazelnut iced latte. I have. Okay. I have grabbed my breakfast. अब मेरे इसके अंदर बनाना पड़ा है तो मैं वही खाऊंगी. What a beautiful day. I absolutely love आज. I am wearing sambas today which I really love for how they look. But I'm not a big fan of the comfort, especially when I'm walking so much. So yeah, and my office is close by. I don't want to show it for privacy reasons again, but I'll see you there. I came to the office. सबसे बड़ी गलती मैंने ये करी thinking that it's a Friday and thinking कि कोई ऑफिस ही नहीं आएगा. But turns out I don't even have a single seat. So basically हम क्या करते हैं, हम ऑफिस में बुक करते हैं, like we book the seats and I didn't book it because Friday है, कौन ही आएगा. But turns out people do come on Friday and I didn't even get a single seat and now I'm in a meeting room. And now yeah, I just booked that meeting room and my other teammates are gonna come here and we're just gonna work together. I'm just ordering lunch. We came to Union right now एंड अभी लंच करने आए थे बट मुझे ऐसा कुछ देखा नहीं. सो बिकॉज वेजिटेरियन हूँ मैं, आज नवरात्रि. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू order something from Tim Hortons because it's cheaper and I have tried the vegetarian there, so it's good. Let's see. The app is still downloading. We are just going and I have a meeting in a bit. Thank you. Good day. So it's currently 2 PM. मतलब 2 भी नहीं, 1:58. मेरी 2 बजे भी मीटिंग है. But I just thought I will do a little random check-in because this is where I get to do it. I had meetings throughout the day, very hectic day going on. But of course, I will be free at 2:30. आज I had my lunch. मैंने Tim Hortons से I ordered like a hot banana veggie bowl. Again, as I said, मैं vegetarian हूँ अभी, लाइक इन दिनों में, बिकॉज नवरात्रि चल रहे हैं. एंड या उसके अलावा इन अ बिट आई विल हैव माई बनाना, जो मैंने सुबह नहीं पिया. मुझे एक्चुअली मैंने सुबह नहीं खाया, ये मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए लाया था अलॉन्ग साइड कॉफ़ी. बट आई जस्ट हैड कॉफ़ी एंड देन आई वाज बिजी इन कॉल्स. देन मैंने लंच करा अराउंड 12:30 के आसपास. सो नाउ आई विल हैव माई फ्रूट इन मिडल ऑफ द डे एंड देन आई विल कॉल इट अ डे. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर शाम का कोई प्लान है कि नहीं, सो माइट एज वेल गो होम अर्ली. बट आई एम जस्ट गोना कॉल माई फ्रेंड एंड आस्क हर अगर प्लान है. Otherwise, I can meet another friend or I can just go home. मेरा घर जाके आ जा, सच कुछ एजेंडा नहीं है. So if there is no agenda, if I go home, I might just shoot. So this is basically like, you know, this is why I don't show up as much because I don't have plans as such. Like मैं more or less घर पे ही होती हूँ और it's like a very normal simple routine. But yeah, anyways, मेरी मीटिंग शुरू होने वाली है. So I'm just gonna take your leave. Hi, so I just took a break and this is what my outfit looks like. Just a black top, a little belt and blue jeans and makeup. I think you've seen it closely. पापा मेरी वेट कर रहे थे. He's like, मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा, तो कहते हैं कि अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. तो मैंने ठीक है आराम से करो. अब कह रहे मैं तेरी वेट कर रहा हूँ. Hello. We're on the way home. घर जा रहे हैं. अभी तक तो मैं ड्राइव ही कर रही हूँ. We left downtown at 4 o'clock and it's almost 8:20 now. So I only drove. Papa was there and I had my colleague with me. So I just dropped my colleague and now I'm going home. And आगे का प्लान I told you. See that this is how my life basically is. कि मैं कुछ करती नहीं हूँ आजकल, लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ सोशलाइजिंग ऑल्सो वट एवर. बट या आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो होम. आई एम जस्ट गोना चेंज, आई एम गोना रिलैक्स फॉर अ बिट. एंड आई थिंक 8 बजे तक सेफोरा खुला रहता है. सो आई माइट जस्ट गो देयर. लाइक आई काइंड ऑफ वांट टू, यू नो. शिट. या आई विल टेक मम्मा विद मी एंड कॉल इट अ डे. मे बी गो टू द जिम. आई डोंट नो. Maybe. I mean, I can actually. I feel pretty, I wouldn't say fresh, but I feel pretty good today. So might even go to the gym, maybe the Heartland gym, maybe the Brampton gym. अगर मैं Heartland जाऊँगी तो शायद मैं Heartland वाले gym ही जाऊँ. Let's see. चलो जी, आ गई मैं घर वापस. It has been such a long day. 8:24, 6:24 I'm here and I was listening to a TikTok song like Jenny and I'm so tired now. Let's go. अभी इसके आगे भी मैंने ऑलरेडी अपनी भाभी को मैसेज कर दिया. सो वी माइट गो टू जिम टुगेदर. हेलो. हाय. वाह जी, यहाँ पे मूवी नाइट शुरू हो चुकी है. Hey, you're being recorded for YouTube. अच्छा किया ना, आपको जल्दी ड्रॉप किया मैंने.
Yeah, thank you.
आई एम गोइंग अप टू ट्रेन. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ और तो मुझे पता भी नहीं है कैमरा कैसा लेता है. मैंने कभी इस पर प्रॉपर व्लॉग बनाया नहीं है एंड आई हैव नॉट रियली सीन ऐसे फुल स्क्रीन में, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि अच्छा ही लेता होगा. लिटरली back. Room, sweet room. It's not the best, but it is how I left it. It has been worse. फिर भी मैं इस बार आज अपने कपड़े वपड़े उठा के गई हूँ. टाइम टू चेंज. मेरा ना आज मुझे अपना मेकअप पर्सनली इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. अच्छा लगा. इट लुक्स वेरी गुड, नॉट गोना लाई, लाइक द स्मोकी थिंग. बट टुडे द कंसीलर, लाइक yesterday I was cleaning my makeup drawer, right? तो मुझे कंसीलर जो है, I found my ELF का camo concealer. I had stopped using that completely and then I couldn't remember why. So I was like, hey, abhi isme thoda sa bacha hua hai, so I'll use this on first priority. And then today I applied it and today I realized why. Because I see that it has sort of stuck to the dry patches under my eyes. And it just something felt off when I put it. After I put it and my whole makeup was done. So otherwise I feel like this would have been a really flawless look. And because eyes were the focus today. अब क्या है कि अब आई का एरिया ख़राब हो गया, so I was like छोड़ो. But I have to show you my makeup drawer. Oh, so beautiful. See how nicely I arranged everything. So this is like my lipsticks. This is the brushes and all the sponges and stuff like that. That is all the palettes. So I have the Revolution की तीनों palettes मेरे पास. And trust me, I have used all of them a lot. And then I got this one, abhi this strip. This is my pimple patch in case I ever get pimples. So this is my base, face basis. I'll make a video on it separately. All of these are my blushes. So I have 10 blushes. These are my lip pencils and kajal and stuff. This is my highlighter and that's my bronzer. So I think I just have 2 bronzers, this NARS and the Star 28. So I need to get more options. That would be nice. Then I use this Lottie London ka face powder. Fit Me. I have this is my favorite purchase. One purchase I splurged on this Charlotte Tilbury ka airbrush thingy. And yeah, there's a setting spray again. Guys, if you ever get a chance or if you don't have a setting spray, this is what you need. This is what keeps my makeup intact all day. And yeah, pretty much that was my organization. And this is all my perfumes. These are all my lip balms. This is my skincare, unsponsored skincare. Basically, love every bit of it. That's it. Now we're gonna get ready for the gym and hit Sephora. I am ready and makeup तो मैं नहीं उतार रही हूँ obviously because काजल मेरा इतना ज़्यादा अभी I don't have to be there at 7 o'clock and it's a 20-minute रास्ता and it's already 6:48. So that is one reason. And second, I mean, I'll just freshen up after coming back, so it's fine. But anyways, this is my outfit. So I'm wearing, my top is from Life and Jam and this is from Lululemon and then socks and then it's sorted. मेरे बेड के नीचे सिर्फ PR packages पड़े हुए, so I just don't want to show you that. The key card is in the गाड़ी की चाबी and phone लेके जाना है. Yeah, I can just take a bag, a little bag, and I think I should be good to go. So I am at the gym. मैंने मम्मी से सेफोरा के गिफ्ट कार्ड उठा लिए हैं. So it's kind of a win-win situation कि मैं घर आई. I just couldn't go to the Union वाला Sephora because I mean I was coming back and मुझे डैड के साथ भी वापस आई and then colleague भी था ये वो. So I just did not and then घर आना sort of सफल हुआ. Here I am. This is the good life. A little what's in my bag for you all. So I have a rubber band. I have a clip thingy. And I have I got micellar water with me also because I'm pretty sure once I start sweating I would want to wash this makeup off. I don't feel very good with the makeup, so I got micellar water. And मेरे को बहुत सारे ऐसे minis वगैरह मिले थे. So I got my moisturizer, I got my Indie Wild thing, and I also got this face wash from Plum, which was again I just got it. वो Nykaa से free चीज़ें मिलती हैं, so I got that. What else did I get? And I got one Innisfree ka mini serum which I had. this, and last but not the least, my Rhode peptide. Also, for the people who think that Rhode is great and stuff, trust me, it's not. Like, at least the flavored ones, I don't like it at all, because they are so, like, इतना ज़्यादा उसका क्या रबरी बोल रही हूँ, नहीं रबरी नहीं, grainy. They are so grainy. Like this one, salted caramel is good. I won't lie, it is good, but it's not the best out there. Like, I prefer my 7.99 का Indie Wild over जो 2-3 हज़ार रुपए अगर मैं convert करूँ. So I don't like Rhode as much, but yeah, salted caramel is फिर भी good, but the flavored ones so grainy. I don't like it at all. Like, if someone wants mine, please take it. Never use it. So I'm done with the workout. I am too tired. I burned almost like 400 calories today. I'm good. This is my outfit, and now I'm gonna head home. And Sephora to nahi ho paya because I was like working out here, and then I started doing strength training and stuff, and Sephora band ho jata hai around 8:30. So yeah, I didn't really get time to go, but fine, I'll go tomorrow morning. I just came back and mama ne vegetables काट के रखे थे काफ़ी. Like, she had cut paneer, and they were like capsicum and this thing, capsicum and mushrooms. So yes, I quickly made some stir fry vegetables because of Navratri I cannot have onion and stuff, neither can I use like garlic and all. So I just made one with some spices and some balsamic vinegar. So I think it was good, and this is going to be my dinner. I love vegetables, so it's pretty heavy, but yeah, let's do a taste test. सही है, नमक थोड़ा कम है, but that's good. Like, wanted less sugar. I mean, नमक, what's wrong? My brain is broken today. आज मैं जिम में सेल्फी लेना भी भूल गई. So literally all I took was this. Whatever happened to my gym photo memory. Abhi it's 12:30. It's almost 12:30 a.m. And जब हम last मिले थे, like on the video, we saw that it was around 9:30-10 when I had my dinner. The dinner was very fulfilling, but trust me, I was so tired. I am still very tired, but उसके बाद I came up, and I don't know if how many of you do that, but मैं तो literally आके bed पे पड़ गई, like gym के कपड़ों में, everything. Did not just remove my shoes, like not even my socks, और मैं सीधा आके bed पे गिर गई because I was so tired. Like, the days when I go to office, I'm already not used to going to office every day now. So the days I go, I literally try to accomplish everything I can in the same day, like in downtown majorly. So like, even if I have to go meet any friend or do anything, I try to do it that time. But since I came early today, I was still very tired, but I was like, nah, I have to push myself, I have to do this and that, whatever. So general exhaustion आज बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, तो आके बेड पे पड़ गई. And then mama told me, like, I had to obviously take a shower, but then mama told me that I have to wash my hair today because हमारे इसमें like अष्टमी वाले दिन, नवमी वाले दिन, all of those days we don't really wash our hair. And then I wouldn't be able to wash it until Monday because Monday को भी there's something, so I wouldn't be able to wash it until Monday. So I'm just like, okay, might as well do it. And it was 12 बजे तक का time था to do it. So I washed my hair as well, and now I am literally tucked in my bed, and I'm really sleepy, but it's a Friday, so I will obviously not sleep. तो मैंने ऐसे थोड़ा सा room साफ तो था ही, but I just had to like pick up those little items. And now I have a very serious podcast next to me. I'm watching the Nikhil Kamat's episode, like with Ghazal, Ritesh and all. So I'm just watching that. It's a 4-hour episode, so I've already finished like 1 hour 37 minutes of it like a day ago, and now I'll be watching the rest of the episode till I fall asleep. So that is pretty much my day. I think first time I was able to commit to a whole day का vlog. Trust me, I have tried making these vlogs multiple times, but क्या होता था, आधे ही रास्ते पे मैं भूल जाती थी. So yeah, that's about it about the Sephora thing. Sad that I couldn't guide today, but the sale is on for 14 days. I'm definitely gonna make another vlog because tomorrow also for me it's a very interesting day. Like, I have to go to puja in the morning, and then I have to go to Sephora, and then obviously I'll have like my normal weekend routine. It's a Saturday, so yes, stay tuned and love you all. I think I would want to maintain that essence of my channel with vlogs itself, with like very organic, very raw vlogs. This is what I like. And very soon even Reva's gonna move home, hopefully, fingers crossed, end of this month. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. I think that's one thing I'm looking forward to in this entire duration of me being at home, that you know, the day Reva moves in, I'll have my buddy. But yeah, so anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. It really does add on to motivation. And I feel like in this whole vlog you must have seen a very different version of me. Like it feels like I'm trying to get comfortable back on camera. Like after a long time of not posting anything, I'm trying to get comfortable again. So please, whenever you get the chance, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere, just try to engage in my content as much as possible, and it really means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Bye.